Yeah, hi, good evening. Today I have got a topic of monitoring field activities of team. So I am Anup Minch from Ranchi. Today I am going to present my PPT PowerPoint presentation. It is almost of 10 slides, but three main slides are there, which are very important in fact. So let's not make a delay and let's go with the session. Definitely the first part I have covered that definitely in joint field work we go and it is a part of a thing that we all observe the things very much. So I have divided into six parts like observation, analysis, complement, corrections, implementations, and outcome of the interpretation. In fact, so let's go to the first slide. Definitely during field work, every area manager must observe, analyze, complement his team, if needed, make necessary corrections and implement the good and required action for better outcome for a proper business growth for the company. Uh, First of all, the observation part comes from the day when the day is being started from our colleague. First, the day call planning in the morning should come before 9 o'clock so that we can make a call plan, in fact. And the call planning is there, the proper call planning. In that call planning, it comes so many parameters are there like key planning doctors and mixed doctor, core doctor plan has been mixed or not. The call timings like first call is at 10 o'clock and the second call is at 1 o'clock, then there is a problem, we have to make a corrections over there, so this should not be there. The duration of gap between call, so the duration must not be very long, it should be in proper planning like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock and all. In that way the planning should be there. Utilization of gap between calls as productive activities. Suppose if there are a gap of 2 hours, now in that 2 hours what the person has make the planning to go anywhere, to visit any stockist or some other works are there or not. If there is a long gap, then we should need to correct. Learning and eagerness of the person to know more about products or sales. In that gap, if there is a gap, if there is a call gap, so the person is whether eager to learn or not. So that is also observation part, that the person is eager to learn something about the product thing. The person should ask कि सर ये कैसे होता है, what is the product details, how he should know whether he is eager to know the things or not, whether it's sales or whether it's product knowledge. The second part comes input, gift, literature, and planning. Definitely in that call planning, the person has to make, the team has to make the input, the gift, literature, how he will provide to the doctor, what are the call plannings are there, how he should make the product, the major doctors or the key doctors with manager he has to go and distribute. Tour program adherence, the second part. Definitely he should adhere with the tour program so that the same cluster or same part has been there. Second part comes like patch, cluster, route for planning. Now, suppose in one patch or one cluster or one route, at least there must be 4 to 5 doctors at least. So otherwise, what happens? One call is at 2 kilometers away from the present area, and we have to again come back to the next area for again traveling 3 kilometers. So that is a wrong planning. So we need to observe all those things. In fact. Now planning according to complete call average and call coverage. The person has made the his planning so that his call average or call coverage would be completed or not. Now regular frequency of visit and call. Whether the person, the my colleague has made the things in regular frequency or not, whether he visits, that is also my observation part. Now doctor customer recognize as an old face, it is my point, in fact I have added like the doctors, the customers, the key doctors, the core customers are been recognizing him or not, whether they are giving him proper attention or not, whether he is getting a proper respect to the customers or not. Not only with the doctors, it is also with the chemist and also the stockist also. So it gives a proper part that my person is known face to the customer. It gives our presence in, it shows that we are being present in the market. Proper territory and route knowledge, so every person has to be with the route knowledge and the proper territory knowledge also. So other part comes like proper in the chamber, it comes like proper detailing at the chamber. The person should be confident enough to detail in front of the doctor. He is able to talk with the, has to able to communicate with the doctor in a proper manner. Now situation handling at the chamber, the person has to be very much smart enough to handle the situations. The presence of mind while he is answering to the doctor or to the stockist or customer, whoever. the sales call and demanding for the business, whether he is demanding the prescriptions or not, whether he is demanding for the business or not, or just going and saying hi, hello, and just coming back. It is also just our observation part. Sales orientation, inclination towards business, company strategy implementation and monitoring is our part, like whether if there is some campaigns going on, some strategy is going on, some distribution plan is going on, whether he is adhering to the company strategy or not, whether he has the negotiation skills with the customer or not, whether he is able to negotiate or not. The next part comes with RCPA, chemist recognition. The chemist recognize him or not, whether he is doing a proper RCPA, whether he is proper, do he have the ability to take the information correctly in the proper way. Stockist handling and relation, how he is having a relation with the customer, the stockist. Does he have the mobile number, the important details, important informations of the doctor, chemist, stockist. Now the slow in the chemist part, in the stockist part, like slow moving products, short expiry products, record keeping and liquidation plan, does he have or not, whether he has that type of inclination, sales orientation and inclination part or not. Now whether the person's secondary and primary sales weekly analysis and stockist visit, definitely the person has to be eager enough to go, like the secondary sales kya hua, primary sales kya hua, weekly they have to analyze the stockist part, whether the person has the inclination or not. The other these are the main parts. In fact, other observation parts, definitely other than company job and responsibilities, we must look at the professionalism and personal development also as a team, like his behavior towards customers, colleagues, seniors, juniors. Other than the company colleagues, people must have goodwill and reputation in the market also. He must be well behaved as a salesperson as needed in our profession. So he must be behaved well, people may be giving him regard and respect also. Some do's and don'ts are also there. Must follow all the traffic rules, must adhere to the etiquettes and the rules of the administration and the local administration, local police administration also. Whether he is rough driving or not, or maybe aggressiveness in the behavior with the other colleague or customer or market, in the people in the market. Suppose a traffic police ask him and he has been aggressive, so that is a personal part also. But definitely we have to make an observation there, and privately we can correct them. Some people go and especially in our Bihar and Jharkhand, people go with pan masala, tobacco and all. It should not be there. It is also a part of recognition. We can ask them privately, it's not to do. The other part comes, like now it comes, all the do's parts had been over, I have completed. Now it comes as a analysis and complements and corrections and implementations. So after analysis all these parameters, if my team or my colleague is up to the mark, then I must compliment him. If not, then I should ask them for the necessary changes to be made. I'll ask them for a privately as a corrections. Team development, their interpersonal skill development, and implementing the right thing for better outcome and for the better business growth, I should ask. So I think I have covered almost all of the points. If lacking in some of the points, I will definitely upgrade myself in my next video. So thank you for watching me. Thank you very much.